When aiming to secure a position in the competitive job markets of Europe and the US, it's essential to strike a balance between showcasing your technical prowess and demonstrating your soft skills and cultural adaptability. This journey begins with a deep dive into your technical skills, the cornerstone of your professional identity. Whether you're entrenched in IT, marketing, engineering, or any other field, the key is to present your technical mastery in a way that aligns with the job you're eyeing. Discussing relevant projects where you've applied critical skills can set the stage, especially when you detail complex challenges you've navigated or innovative solutions you've developed. Keeping abreast of the latest trends and technologies in your domain through certifications, courses, or conferences not only underscores your commitment to your profession, but also your capacity for continuous learning. Moreover, quantifying your achievements lends weight to your claims, transforming abstract skills into tangible outcomes. Soft skills, however, are what often differentiates a good candidate from a great one. The ability to solve problems creatively, work collaboratively across diverse teams, and communicate effectively are attributes in high demand. Recounting instances where you've tackled significant challenges, collaborated with a varied group of colleagues, or leveraged your communication skills to steer a project to success can vividly illustrate your soft skills in action. In today's globalized work environment, cultural adaptability is another invaluable trait. If your journey has taken you across borders, through work or study, these experiences can highlight your ability to navigate and thrive in diverse cultural landscapes. Even basic proficiency in a second language speaks volumes about your willingness to bridge cultural divides and can be a significant asset, particularly in Europe, where multilingualism is often the norm. Demonstrating cultural sensitivity, whether through international collaborations or your approach to learning about new cultures, shows potential employers you're ready to integrate into and respect their work environment. Innovation is the lifeblood of progress, and showcasing your ability to think outside the box and embrace new technologies can set you apart. Whether it's through creative problem solving that led to an unconventional yet successful solution, or your eagerness to adopt and master new tools and methodologies, these narratives underscore your capacity for innovation. Crafting a personal brand that weaves through your CV, cover letter, and LinkedIn profile ensures that your professional narrative is cohesive and compelling. Articulating what sets you apart from other candidates, be it through a unique combination of skills, experiences, or your distinct approach to work, is crucial. This unique value proposition is what makes you memorable to potential employers. Preparation is key when it comes to interviews. Conducting thorough research on the company, delving into its market position, challenges, and recent achievements prepares you to discuss how your background aligns with their needs and future direction. Practicing responses to common interview questions using the STAR method helps structure your answers in a way that highlights your accomplishments and the impact of your actions. Moreover, preparing insightful questions to ask the interviewer not only demonstrates your interest in the role, but also your proactive approach to understanding the company and its culture. Understanding the business culture of the country where you're applying is the final piece of the puzzle. Familiarizing yourself with the local business etiquette, from punctuality and dress code to meeting protocols, can help you navigate the interview process more smoothly. Recognizing the preferred communication style can also be crucial, as it varies significantly from one culture to another. In summary, securing a job in Europe or the US is a multifaceted endeavor that extends beyond showcasing your technical skills. It involves a careful presentation of your soft skills, cultural adaptability, and innovative thinking, all woven into a narrative that highlights your unique contributions and potential. By preparing detailed examples that showcase these competencies and understanding the cultural nuances of the job market you're entering, you can significantly enhance your chances of making a lasting impression and securing the role you aspire to.